do that, but that's not going to work out very well for anybody. So how do you do things? How do you do it safely? That's why I'm back anecdotally to my own, grocery store, my own drugstore, Rite Aid, and when I go in there, everybody had the plexiglass up and the masks, and they wore it, and nobody in these stores ever got coronavirus. For the short term, that's the answer. Now, for kids in school, it's a little more difficult. Many keep a 4- and 5-year-old with a mask all day. But I think we can look at these countries and find out what they're doing right before you have this universal no to schools. It puts enormous pressure on families also. We'll talk more about it on the other side. I'm Jim Gagliardi, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here's what's happening. One coronavirus-related death reported in Rhode Island since yesterday, bringing the death toll now to 985, 102 new cases. Ripley's Ice Cream Shop in South Kingstown Village of Wakefield for the season has an ongoing problem with threatening behavior of some customers because of COVID-19 restrictions. A confrontation between customers and as you get onto the 610 right now. See something? Call from the Providence Auto-Body Traffic Tip Line, 866-999-7200. I'm Dan with your Southern New England traffic.
This report is sponsored by Unbound.org. Right now, there are young people across the world facing a tough choice. Continue their dream of education or drop out to help their family put food on the table. You can help change their future in a single moment. See how far your support can go at Unbound.org.
Hey, your friend Sean Hannity here to tell you, as an active investor, I firmly believe in working with the smartest local agents who sell homes in high volume. Prepare your home to create the most demand when it does go on the market to sell for the highest price. And don't fill your life with drama while you wait for your home to sell. When I want to know what's happening, there's only one agent I call. Nathan Clark at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. Nathan's family has been serving Rhode Island now for over 50 years. They are the #1 real estate team in Rhode Island now for the past 10 years. Now, he has so many buyers, he allows you to establish a deadline and a price acceptable to you. So if that deadline passes and your home is not sold, he will buy your home. Now, you and Nathan will sit down and must agree on a price and time of possession, and Nathan will let you out of your contract at any time right up until you accept an offer. So contact the agent I personally trust. Call Nathan today, 401-232-7661, online at NathanClarkTeam.com. That's NathanClarkTeam.com.
Go to bed, sleep, get out of bed. If bedtime borders you or someone you care for, Cardi's can help. Introducing Narrow-Peak Lift, the new high-low vertical lift adjustable bed, exclusively at Cardi's Furniture and Mattresses. It rises and lowers vertically for getting in and out of bed. You just sit and lie down. No more climbing into bed. And head and foot also adjust for reading, TV, and the most comfortable sleep positions. As needed, the Narrow-Peak Lift from Cardi's will elevate you to the desired height for any assisted care needed. Then when it's time to get out of bed, the Narrow-Peak Lift can position you up or down, providing the best height for you to get out of bed. The Narrow-Peak Lift lowers, just sit down to go to bed. It lifts for best reading, TV, sleep, or assisted care. Go up or down to easily get out of bed. Programmable remote makes it easy. My mom loves this bed. Need me say more? Shop Cardi's Furniture and Mattresses, South Attleboro, Swansea, Route 2 West Walk, South County Commons, mattress locations everywhere, and Cardis.com.
Liberty Mutual Insurance Company helps you customize your home insurance so you only pay for what you need. Unlike things you paid for you didn't need, like that much-needed 125-inch flat-screen TV.
It's hurting my eyes a lot.
Or your 100-square-foot bedroom.
My neck isn't so much stiff as it's completely stuck.
With Liberty Mutual, get customized home insurance so you only pay for what you need.
Uh-oh, I'm seeing color splotches. traditional PK, easy wrinkle-free, and performance styles that whip moisture. So even when it's hot in the shade, you'll feel cool and dry in an Untucked polo. Try our famous polos now at untuckit.com or any of our 85-plus stores. Untuckit, shirts designed to be worn untucked.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
That's right, 21 days, 3 weeks from today. Very excited about it. We have a lot of announcements that we have coming for you. Everything that this election is now evolving into that matters, being, and I believe that live free or die, America and the world on the brink is real. I mean, this is now about safety, security, law, and order. This is about socialism versus capitalism. This is about energy independence or literally destroying the world's greatest economy. This is now about borders or sanctuary cities and states in the United Sanctuary States of America. This is about the Constitution, activist justices, or constitutionalists. This is about a deep state being destroyed or the deep state taking full-on control. This is the most radical 2020 group of candidates, and they're all one. Between Pelosi, Schumer, and Biden, you've got 125 years of failure. They have done nothing in that time. Donald Trump shattered every single solitary record. That's what Donald Trump did. Donald Trump was able to do that which they could never do. Now you add to that Ocasio-Cortez. Now you add to that plagiarizing and adopting the entire Bernie Sanders socialist radical agenda. You know, then you add to that AOC and her Green New Deal. Then you add to that Bozo O'Rourke. You know, you add to all of this. And what do you have? You have nothing. As I say, there's a chapter in the book, Socialism, A History of Failure. I have another chapter, Welcome to Fantasyland, the Democrats' 2020 Agenda. Another chapter, The Rise of the Radicals. Chapter 1 is a republic if you can keep it. Quoting, you know, this famous story of Ben Franklin. Is it a republic or a monarchy? A republic if you can keep it. Or as Reagan said, you know, we're just but one generation away from freedom is one generation away from extinction. I don't think that was hyperbole either. So everything's on the line. Reagan's psychotic words, freedom is but one generation away from extinction. That is what it's in 112 days. And this is what I'm demonstrating. This is now an urgent cry and a call to every freedom-loving American, every constitutional-loving American, every patriot out there. If you love America, the greatest country God gave man, I guess it's not fashionable to say, talk about American greatness and talk about American exceptionalism. But there's never been a country in the history of mankind, I quote Barry Farber often, God bless his soul, he recently passed away, that has accumulated this much power, abused it less, and I'd add, and used its power to advance the human condition more. You know why I'm not, nobody likes, the worst pandemic since 1917 and 18, but I've said from the beginning that I have so much faith in our medical researchers and our scientists and our doctors and our healthcare providers, our workers in health, facilities, hospitals. I have faith. We've never broken